Nikon Z FC Review 2026. Watch before you buy /n/n for the best price. Click the link in the description. /n/n. Are you tired of using bulky cameras that weigh you down on long shoots? Do you struggle with complicated menus and confusing settings? /n/n. But here's what surprised me about the Nikon Z FC. It's not just another mirrorless camera, but a game changer for both beginners and professionals alike. /n/n. At first glance, its retro-inspired design might remind you of film cameras from the past. But don't let that fool you. /n/n. There's a twist. Though, this camera is packed with cutting-edge technology that will make you wonder how Nikon managed to fit so much power into such a compact body. /n/n. Let's dive in and see what makes the Nikon Z FC so special. Deep dive. Word count: 300 to 400. The Nikon Z FC boasts an impressive 20.9 megapixel CMOS sensor, capable of capturing stunning images with incredible detail and dynamic range. /n/n. But that's not all. It also features a fast and accurate autofocus system, ensuring that your subjects are in sharp focus even in challenging lighting conditions. /n/n. One of the standout features of this camera is its ability to shoot 4K video at up to 30 frames per second, making it perfect for content creators who want to produce high-quality footage. /n/n. But what really sets the Nikon Z FC apart from other cameras on the market is its unique retro design. /n/n. The ergonomic body and intuitive controls make it a joy to hold and use, even for extended periods of time. /n/n. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the Nikon Z FC is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a camera that's both powerful and easy to use. /n/n. But how does it perform in real-world scenarios? Let's take a look at some sample photos and videos to see what this camera can do. Rehook. Word count: 130. The Nikon Z FC may have a small body, but don't let its size fool you. It packs a punch when it comes to image quality. /n/n. But there's more to the story than just its specs. What about its performance in different lighting conditions? /n/n. We'll take a closer look at some of the camera's key features and see how they hold up in real-world scenarios. Resolution. Word count: 300 to 400. After putting the Nikon Z FC through its paces, I was blown away by its performance. /n/n. The camera handled challenging lighting conditions with ease, producing stunning images that were full of detail and color. /n/n. One of the standout features of this camera is its ability to shoot high-quality video, making it perfect for content creators who want to produce professional-grade footage. /n/n. But what really impressed me was how easy it was to use even in manual mode. The Nikon Z FC's intuitive controls made it a breeze to adjust settings and get the shot I wanted. /n/n. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or wildlife, the Nikon Z FC is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a camera that's both powerful and easy to use. /n/n. In conclusion, the Nikon Z FC is a game changer for both beginners and professionals alike. Its unique retro design, cutting-edge technology, and intuitive controls make it the perfect camera for anyone who wants to take their photography to the next level. /n/n. For the best price, click the link in the description.